Farm and Home Realty and Auction. I'm standing outside 537 Mulberry Street over in Hartford, Kentucky in Ohio County. The reason I'm here today is I want to tell you about an upcoming open house we have this Saturday. That's Saturday, September 7th from 2 to 4 p.m. We're going to have the home open, opportunity for you to come tour it. We're going to have refreshments. We're going to have opportunity to win door prizes. We're going to have giveaways, all kinds of things for you guys to come out and enjoy. But most importantly, we want you to take time and come out and see this home in person and see what kind of opportunity it has for somebody. Again, it's right here on 537 Mulberry Street. We're going to be open this Saturday, September 7th, 2 to 4. We're going to be having different links available on social media and on our website. Be sure and tune in, but most importantly, be with us Saturday, September 7th from 2 to 4 p.m. If you have any questions, again, my name is Jamie Johnson, Farm and Home Realty and Auction. You can reach me directly at 270-784-3103. Hope to see you Saturday.